Slime.
Slime. Okay, so what do we need first? How do we make slime? Tell Pina, how do you make slime?
We need this, and we need this, and we need this, and we need this, and we need these, and we need this, and we need this.
That's right. Okay, so now what we're gonna start with is we're gonna start with glue, right? The
I want
glue.
to put it.
So the glue. So we're just gonna add a little bit of glue.
Yeah, just a little bit.
Just a little bit.
Just a little.
This much is good. Okay, now you take yours. A little bit more, just a little bit more. It's okay, it's okay.
Sticky.
Perfect. So we have in here one more, two more to go. So now, what are we gonna add? So now we're gonna add a little bit of colors into our slime. Mariana, what colors do you want in your slime?
I want green and this.
You want green or pink?
I want pink.
Just pink? Okay. Now you're gonna have to put a little bit, squish it. Just a little bit of slime. Just that much, okay?
That much.
Then we can add more after. I'm gonna do
Blue.
blue. Okay, we'll do blue. Dark blue or light blue? Which one?
Dark blue.
Dark blue? Okay. Just a little bit.
It's farting. It was farting.
Okay, so now we're gonna mix it up.
Yes.
So I'm gonna take the back of it and we're gonna mix it up with just a spoon and anything you have. It doesn't really have to be. Ooh, mine's really dark.
Mine is gonna be light.
So now
We need to take a picture.
just mix it.
I'm mixing it.
You are.
Really dark. So it's really dark. It's really dark and brighty. Oh, it's
Okay.
blue.
So now it's time to add the detergent.
Yeah,
So we're using Tide detergent. I just put it in a cup, sorry, to make it easier because it's really, really big. So now we put a little bit inside, and then we stir. Okay, I think we need a little bit more detergent, just a little bit. That much.
just a little. You're chasing me. You're chasing me. You're chasing me.
Okay, your slime is done.
have it?
Look at this. It's like a blue, purpley, like a lavender. It's so pretty, isn't
Can
it?
you have it now?
Of course.
Thank you.
And my slime's a blue. But it doesn't stretch as much because there's not a lot. Yeah, it breaks.
Mine is so big. Mine
It
doesn't
is.
break. Mine doesn't break. It stretches a little. It smells good. It smells really good.
What does it smell like?
It smells like that. That.
It smells like laundry detergent.
Sticky.
Do you want to trade?
No.
You can have this one. I can have this one.
No.
No.
I want it.
Mine doesn't do those.
Mine
Let's see yours. Can I see yours, please? Thank you.
It looks like candy. Look, my hands are skinny. My hands are skinny. And they're wet. They're so wet. Your hands are wet
finished results for our slime.
Yeah.
Show yours. Show.